What's your name?
My name is Yash Patil.
Where are you from?
I am from Jat, Maharashtra.
And which university are you going to?
I am going for Bhikkhu Union State Medical University.
Why have you chosen this university?
It is better comparable in all world rankings. So
And have you thought of PG program as well?
yeah, because it is necessary in India. There are so much MBBS doctors and there is more value for PG doctors.
So, what made you decide that I will not just stop at MBBS but I'll also do PG? How did you think of this roadmap? How did you plan this?
It is a specialization in a particular work. Then the work is not complete without a specialization. So
And how did Moksh help you in making this decision?
they gave me all abroad information. So and in that way they made me help.
And how was your experience with Moksh, like their counseling, and did they attend to your queries and they like explained you everything step by step?
Yeah, they explained me all about it.
And what do you think are the problems that a student faces in India for taking up MBBS?
It is not an easy. There is a lot of hard work. So
What is the challenges? Like, I have done the hard work, I've given my NEET exam, then what?
if I were giving hard work, then I was supposed to take admission in India, not in abroad.
No, but what I'm asking is that why do you think that, what are the problems that aspirants face here? Like, there are less number of seats, also there are private institutes which are charging very high. So what problems did you face? Like, you obviously, you thought about India first, but then what are the challenges that you had to face here, so ultimately you went for...
First of all, I have scored less marks, so I won't get seats in India. Then almost private and deemed there are a lot of fees. So
And there is a perception among people that because it's abroad, so the fees charged there, it's more than in India. Is it true?
the people belief is different, so they can think anything also. And it is the practical way. It is how I adjust there.
So you there, like MBBS there is cheaper outside.
50%.
But if you compare it with private institutions here, so it's cheaper there.
Yes.
Alright. And are you excited for your journey now? You have your departure scheduled for tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm so much excited.
So we wish you all the very best and have a happy journey.
Yeah, thank you.